Welcome to Learn Yourself. Today we are going to understand solved example 10.5. It says that an object weighs 10 Newton when measured on the surface of the earth. What would be its weight when measured on the surface of the moon? Weight on the earth has been given to us. We have to find out the weight of an object on the moon. So we know that weight of an object on earth, and this is 1/6 of than that of the weight moon. So we can also write like this, that WE equals to 6 into WM. Weight of an object on the earth equals to 6 times than that of the weight on the moon. So we know that object weighs 10 Newton on the earth. So object's weight is 10 Newton. So 10 Newton on the earth, whereas here it is 6 into Wm, weight on the moon. So 6 will go to denominator of this. Here 10 divided by 6 equals to Wm. So we will get Wm, that weight of an object on the moon, equals to 1.67 Newton. So this is the answer for this question, that weight of an object on the moon will be 1.67 Newton. And why there is a difference in weight of an object on the earth and weight of an object on the moon? On the moon the weight is very less because its gravitational force is very less, whereas the earth's gravitational force is very high. That's why the object's weight will be high, because weight equals to m into g. So here this g plays an important role. As the g's value will be higher, the weight of an object will be higher. Here on earth g's value is 9.8, but at the moon it is much lesser than that. So weight will be very less on the moon. So this g is an important factor when we are finding out the weight for any object. In coming videos we are going to discuss many important concepts. So don't forget to subscribe, Learn Yourself. I'll see you in next video. Till then, keep learning, keep sharing.